Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video is going to be some gorgeous collection of different varieties, but more of a party wear collections or a function wear collections. It's going to be some lovely collections in kota, in organza. We have some chanderi embroidery. We have some beautiful raw silk embroidered. All different beautiful varieties. The material is going to be a mixed variety, but very exclusive collections today we are going to see in the saris. The raw silks alone need a dry wash, and the other saris need only simple hand wash. It's going to be fabulous collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And before seeing the saris, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. A very beautiful kota sari, in that a tissue border also. Bottom part we have a lovely embroidery, and above that it's a silver tissue, and throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery running along the sari, and the body is a checks with a slight shimmer in tissue, so you will have a slight shine in the sari, which will make the sari look really grand. And this is the pallu of the sari with tassels, and the blouse of the sari is this. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1750. A very beautiful grey color kota sari. Again, it's a tissue material. Bottom part a lovely embroidery in off-white. Very beautiful design, and the body you have an embroidery throughout. Looks really class and great. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1750. Very beautiful tissue kota sari. Bottom part we have a lovely embroidery in this sari, and above that you could see a beautiful tissue border, and on the other side it's a tissue border again, and the body is a beautiful embroidery. Very class and beautiful elegant saris. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1750. This is a beautiful kota tissue sari again in a lovely off-white. It's more of a darker off-white chandana color madri. Very beautiful color, and a lovely embroidery on it. And throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery running along the sari. Such a class sari, looks so pretty. Lovely it is. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1750. Very beautiful tissue kota sari. Bottom part a lovely border, an embroidery border, you could see that, and the body is completely embroidery. Very beautiful sari. The material is not too stiff. It's quite a very comfortable sari to drape. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1750. A very beautiful chanderi sari, in that a lovely embroidery in this. On the bottom part you could see a beautiful embroidery, very lovely design, a manga peg design with a piping on the sides. Both the side we have that pipings, and throughout the body it's a beautiful lovely embroidery running throughout the body. This is a light off-white shade, and the pallu of the sari is this, and a pretty blouse for this in printed with piping. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 2080. It's a very beautiful chanderi material, a lovely embroidery pattern. Bottom part we have a beautiful embroidery on it. Really class, very beautiful design, and the body is completely embroidered pattern. It's a beautiful embroidery, you could see the embroideries in it. Very intricate designs. This is the pallu of the sari with embroidery in it, a running pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a printed blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 2080. Very beautiful light grey color chanderi material, and that a very pretty embroidery. Lovely pattern, you could see the embroidery, how neat and beautiful finish it is. It's all hand embroidered, and throughout the body it's a very lovely small embroidering running along the body. And this is the pallu with an embroidery on it, running pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, a printed blouse, and the price of the sari is 2080. A beautiful chanderi sari with a lovely embroidery on it. On the bottom part you could see the embroidery. It's a very pretty one with small piping also. On the other side we have a piping, and throughout the body it's a beautiful embroidery. These are all really class piece, very exclusive designs. And this is the pallu with a running pallu. The design is a running design, And the blouse of the saree is a printed blouse in Chanderi, and the price of the saree is 2080. This is a very lovely organza saree, beautiful pattern, and on the sides we have a croquette lace which is very pretty, and throughout the body it's a floral pattern design, very class design. Organzas will be slightly transparent, so whoever wears transparent sarees can go for this. And this is the pallu, and a very beautiful blouse for this saree. This is the blouse in printed digital print all, and the price of the saree is 1540. Very beautiful jute silk material and a very beautiful pink. Both the sides we have a small tissue type border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful floral embroidery pattern. Very beautiful design, lovely pattern. And this is the pallu of the saree with tassels in the corners, and the blouse of the saree is this. You have embroidery in the blouse also, very beautiful one. And the price of this saree is 1680. Very pretty mustard color jute silk saree, a lovely design, beautiful pattern. Both the sides we have a golden tissue border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful embroidery running along the body. You have the embroidery throughout, and this is the pallu with tassels. And the blouse of the saree is this, with small embroideries in the blouse. You could see that this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1680. Beautiful sapphire color jute silk saree, lovely pattern with the flow of the material will be so very nice. Both the sides we have a tissue border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful embroidery, very class one, neat design, beautiful pattern. And this is the pallu with tassels, and it's more a running pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this, with embroidery in the blouses. This is the blouse, and the price of the saree is 1680. Very beautiful jute silk saree in a lovely brown. Both the sides a golden tissue border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful floral design, completely an embroidered design, look really class. And this is the pallu of the saree with tassels in it, and the blouse of the saree is this. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1750. Very beautiful red color jute silk saree, looks really class and beauty. Both the sides we have a tissue border, and throughout the body it's a very beautiful small embroidered pattern design running along the body. This is the pallu with tassels, and the blouse of the saree is this. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1750. It's a very beautiful semi-raw silk material, in that a lovely design of embroidery. The border is a thread border, you could see both the sides is a thread border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery with small stone works also in it. Looks really a class piece. This is the body, looks very pretty, beautiful flowy material. And the pallu of the saree is this, a pretty one, and the blouse is in slightly contrast darker green. This is the blouse of the saree, very beautiful one, and the price of this saree is 1780. In the same pattern we have some lovely pink, very beautiful color, very beautiful embroidery, you could see it, very pretty design. It's more of a pinkish and orangish mixed shade, very beautiful color, lovely design. And the next color in the same pattern is going to be my favorite any day, beautiful grey and black combination. The saree looks really class, very beautiful, looks so pretty when you wear it. And the price of the saree is 1780. The next is going to be a peacock green and blue mix shade, and the border is in very beautiful blue, all monotone shades, so it looks really class, light and dark shades, so it looks really pretty. The saree looks so grand, so rich, and the price of the saree is 1780. And the last in the shade is a very beautiful mango yellow with a very beautiful contrast darker shade border, all thread border, and the body is fully weaved, very pretty shade, lovely pattern, and the price of this saree is 1780. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.